750 GS. Oh, hello everyone. We're going for a bit of a ride today. I've got Gimli with me. But yeah, let's see where we end up. Look what I'm riding. I don't know how low I can do that one. So I am currently sitting on a Street Glide Special. This is the video I tried to do the other day. And I didn't get a chance to do because my camera screwed up. Yeah, so this is my mate's 2015 Street Glide Special. What a beast of a bike this thing is. She's quick. She's quiet too compared to mine. I don't know how to tell what gear I'm in because the menus are all different than what I'm not used to any menus. But yeah, he wants to go and have a look at some Beamers, so we're headed out to BMW at the moment. I tinkered with the helmet today, so I'm hoping that the sound is not clipping. Maybe I need to talk a bit quieter. Maybe that's the key. The suspension on this is amazing. It actually just filters the bumps like crazy. Yeah, so he wants to go and look at the R18 from BMW. So and I want to go and sit on a GS as well. So oh, this thing is so cool. She filters out most of the bumps. Some of the bumps you feel. It's just really windy out here today too. Oh, the pick up and go on this bike is just beautiful. What a beautiful machine. You should be very proud, Gimli. This thing is beautiful. I apologise if the sound is still clipping, but I'm having some technical difficulties with it. I have to buy some more bits and pieces to eliminate the sound issues. Maybe another cat thingy, cat fur. Gimli doesn't know where we're going. Hopefully there's some parking at BMW, otherwise this is going to be really awkward. She's a hot bike too, geez, she runs warm. It's 27 degrees out here, so it's not stupidly warm. Alright, so I'll see you on the other side of BMW. This is going to take some concentration. Alright, they have a triple black in there. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. $34,000 later though. So I've got to get this job sorted. We'll get there. All right. So that's BMW done. Now I'm going to go out to Harley and see the boys. This is a nice bit of kit. Can still stand up. All right. Stupid traffic. Helmet does not like to open very fast. I'm still not game enough to lane filter. Give me a couple more turns on it. Come on, TT, move. a bit hot out here today. So yeah, I just sat on the 1250 GS. Damn, that thing feels light. I'd love to take it for a ride, but honestly, I don't think it's going to happen. I'm going to wait until I've got this. I need a permanent contract is what I need. All in due time. Definitely soaks up the bumps, this thing. So I'm not very talkative, there's a lot of traffic on the road, it's not my bike, so I'm respecting it. Wow. Smart people are. Oh, this is so little now. So little compared to that one. It is nice to have the wind in my face again though. That thing stops it right out. Oh, this feels so tiny now. So little. I don't know what that is. It's nice though. Phil, what is that bike? Yeah, so after talking to the guy at BMW, can't remember his name, nice guy, definitely a salesperson though. Yeah, I definitely think the second-hand GS is the way to go. Buy one with all the bells and whistles with lower miles on it. okay. I definitely do like those GS's, but I don't think I'm willing to spend 34 grand on a brand new one. See what happens. See what happens with this job, I suppose, and what sort of expendable cash I've got, and how much I can get a decent BMW for, with all the bells and whistles. I want one that can sing. Thank you, Gimli, for coming along and letting me ride your bike. That thing is amazing. Actually, every time I ride it, I want to ride it more, so that's dangerous.